Hi, Ayushi. How are you?
Good morning, good evening, ma'am.
Hello. Good evening. Now, can you see me?
Yes, ma'am. I just changed my name. My name's Avni.
Oh, okay, Avni. There's someone else also joining us today, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll wait for them. All right, then by the time he or she, I don't know,
He.
he joins again, joins back, you tell me, Avni, about yourself. Like, which grade are you currently in?
Oh, I'm in grade 7.
Okay. And like for SASMO, probably if you're going for directly SASMO, I just need to know that is this the first time you're doing it or
Yeah.
okay, that's the first time you're giving the SASMO paper. All right. You're based out of India or you're somewhere outside?
I live in Singapore, but I'm from India.
Okay. Great. Fine then. I think someone is joining in. But
Hello, ma'am.
hello. I need to know your name, dear.
My name is
Come.
Shitij.
Sorry. Say that again.
Shitij.
Kshitij. Okay. Fine, then Avni and Kshitij will get started. We'll have a small short demo. So again, I was asking Avni Kshitij about the SASMO experience. So she's going to give it for the first time. What about you?
Yeah,
You're
see,
also,
I'm also doing it for the first time.
oh, nice. That would be fun then. Then in that case, give me 1 minute. I'll just share my screen and we'll have some questions. I was planning to give you some previous year question papers, but just as you said that you don't have much experience onto these questions. So I would rather take you through in depth of some other topics. Okay. Or maybe something similar. Just give me a second. I'll be a bit flexible with you people as how you go. So allow me a minute that something happened. My folder crashed and I have to go back to the same file. Just give me 1 minute. Don't mind. There you go, Sasmo. It always happens. They just wait for a demo. If my computer knows it's not a demo, probably it works fine. But then the moment they get to know that, oh, demo, we're gonna make you feel bad. All right. So I'm just gonna share my screen real quick. Just a second. Yeah. So I'm going to give you a question which is typically very SASMO type because of course it's a SASMO previous year question paper. Let me zoom into my screen and share that with you. Hold on. Here you go. Just read this question once. A frog fell into a drain that was 50 centimeters deep, and every hour this frog is making a jump of 6 centimeters and then sliding down 4. So I need to know after how many hours will he or it be able to come out of the drain?
20.
Mhm.
Yeah, tell the answer.
Oh yeah, sure, Avni. Go ahead.
Is it 25?
25 hours.
Yeah.
Okay, so if I'm not wrong, did you use the technique that you did 6 minus 4, 2, and then tried figuring it out? 25 is like 50 minus 2. Yeah,
Yeah. I just did,
really?
yeah,
Okay.
6 minus 4, and then I did
No,
that.
it take 24 hours.
Okay, Kshitij. So Kshitij
Because the last
24.
jump will be 6 cm, minus 4 cm, but then by the time it will be outside. So it won't drop 4 cm.
Exactly, you're hitting it the right place. But what I just want to know is that 24, are you sure? Like, okay, think about the 23rd hour scenario. In the 23rd hour, according to what we are
Exactly
calculating,
6 cm, but then he could also fall down.
yeah, that is true. But then why exactly 24? Now, see, in these questions, you have to do it a bit by formula and a bit by manual calculation. So, as Avni, as Kshitij is saying, let's take a very, very normal number. Let's say 21. I want to be safe. Okay. I don't want to overdo it. So 21 into 2 centimeter, that is 21 hours into 2 centimeter, is giving me 42 centimeter. Now 42 plus 6 centimeter is still 48. And 48 minus 4 again is going to give me back 44 centimeter. That means after 22 hours also, I am still at a height of 44 centimeter. Now, exactly what you said, Kshitij, for the 24th hour is
Oh,
technically
so I
happening
get it.
in,
That will be around 23 or like 20.
yes,
The
it's
moment.
happening around the 23rd hour. Say, Avni, you were saying something?
No, I think same thing, ma'am. Yeah, I get.
Yes. So here is the point where he actually touches 50 and he's out. Now, no point of falling back 4. So that is where we need to understand that how would we know that we have to stop at 21 or 22? This firstly happens with practice, a very cliche answer, sorry for that. But then, yes, some part has to be done by the formula, that is 6 minus 4, 2, and then some part a bit manually. Okay. Okay. Let me try another question. Do you guys like? Are you guys aware about factorial? Factorial. Do you know what factorial stands for?
No, I've never learned.
Okay, this sign is called as the factorial sign. Okay, and what factorial is all about is technically landing here. That means you have to keep multiplying the number up till 1 in a sequence, in a reverse order, and that product is going to be a factorial. Fine. Now, it's impossible for normal human beings like us in an exam to figure out the factorial of 214. Of course, the exam does not have one question that you keep on multiplying 2014 and then 2013. So, what can be the catch here? Tell me. How to figure out the last digit?
We can let's use the exclamation mark for 4.
That explanation mark is factorial sign, and that explanation mark means that you have to keep multiplying this with all the numbers below it up till you reach 1, like this.
Mm,
And the full stop is just because they wanted to be grammatically correct, probably. Oh shoot, sorry. Okay.
We can have
the
2014 square
explanation
minus
mark is
2014.
4. Is it 4? Because okay,
Just the
never
last
mind.
digit. Okay. Okay. Why 4? Why 4? Okay. See, guys, 1 second. Just to let you know, this demo or the coming classes would not be a test of what you already know. These classes are built up or getting built up for such a way that you just add on to what you already know. So don't feel shy in just giving out the answer. Even if it's wrong, that's not a big thing. Go ahead, Avni. 4 why? What is the reasoning behind 4?
Because since to get the last digit, usually you can do is that multiply all the last digits. So maybe you can do
Hmm.
4 times 3 times 2 and then carry it on. But then I think
You're
I'll
almost there. You're almost there. But if you figure out the answer of 5 factorial, like actually do multiply 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, you will see a different answer in the last digit. Try that. And what about you, Kshitij? Your answer?
I think it's if you can calculate 2014 square minus 2014.
So what are you getting at the end? Tell me the answer which you got. And I can't see half of your face. That's fine. Thanks. Okay, maybe I can help you a bit. Avni and Kshitij, do you guys calculate 5 factorial?
5 factorial 20, 120, right?
Yeah. What is 120 ending in?
0.
Now, one sweet question. If I ask you 6 factorial, isn't that going to be 120 into 6? Because this will all remain the same, just a 6 will get added.
Yeah, it'll be 720.
Is the last digit changing?
No. Oh my. Oh, so if you guys just get to know 4 factorial, you can you can get the name. Oh my. Wow.
What about you, Kshitij? Did you get it? Sort of.
So, but it still be 4, right?
No. The last digit, whenever you multiply 5 with any even number, you're bound to get a 0 at the end, aren't you? Yes?
Yeah.
5 into 2, 5 into 4, 5 into 6, all ends up in a 0. So technically, see, just let me just clear up the concept of factorial once again. So this is 5 factorial. So 6 factorial would be 6 into all that we had right now. That is 5 factorial. Technically 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, isn't it? So if 5 factorial is 120, so this part is also 120. And 120 is already ending in a 0. So no matter you multiply 120 with whichever number on this earth, it will still end in a 0. I mean, no decimals, okay? Don't come back to me on this. Not decimals. Any natural number you multiply with 120, you would be getting a 0 at the end, always. Isn't that
Ma'am,
always happening?
yeah, ma'am, but the 4th factorial, isn't it 4 times 3 times 2 times 1?
It is, but the question is not 4 factorial. The question is 2014 factorial. So
Oh,
2014 factorial would mean all numbers getting multiplied in the decreasing order till they reach 1.
yeah.
Got it? So
Mm.
in the 5, so will they not come across this number also while they are going back?
Yeah, yeah, they would.
5 to 1 would still be there.
And
And we
then,
all
that means that since 0 would be multiplied with the rest of the numbers, it was to be 0.
so the end has to be 0. The end digit has to be 0. Okay, I see. It feels like Avni got it. What about you, Kshitij? You understood?
Mm, I kind of understood, but
Okay. So where's the confusion? You asked no.
doesn't the answer end with 0?
Yes. That's
Then
what we are
how
discussing.
is it? How the factor is saying that ends with 4? The right answer.
So no other factorial will end in a 4 except for 4 factorial, because 4 factorial is when you only multiply 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and that ends in a 4 because that is 24. Yeah. But the moment you get a combo of 5 with any even number, that's where you get a 0 for sure in the product. Last digit. 5 with any even number, Kshitij. 5 into 2, 5 into 4. Try it out. 5 into 6.
All end with 0.
All will end with 0. Yes. And that's why this answer would also be 0. Otherwise, practically doing it is too difficult, isn't it? Think about it. It would be so, so long. So can we move to the next question then? Are you
Yes.
ready?
Yes.
Okay, fine then. Let's move to another question. This one is easy. This one is only gonna test. Sorry, you were saying something, Kshitij?
No, I wasn't saying anything.
Okay. So this question is not, again, not something which is very tricky. This one is just gonna test your knowledge of the meaning 1 dozen. This. If you know this, then you can answer this question. Kind of
Yeah.
GK plus math.
No.
You don't know?
The answer is no.
Oh, the answer is no.
Because
Okay. All right.
Yeah, because it's a decimal into it.
All right. Okay. So it's correct. That's absolutely correct. So I'll not go into the depth of explaining this. Let's have a geometry question.
Yeah. Right.
25%.
Yeah.
Hmm.
1 by 4.
What about you, Avni?
Yeah, 1 by 4 basic 20.
That's
Okay.
wrong.
So there is actually a small logic behind it. Like, how do you know that this is exactly 1/4? Which property of rectangle?
It can be
But
bisected perpendicular, perpendicular,
No,
perpendicularly.
diagonals are not bisected perpendicular in a rectangle, but they are bisected. That's true. Okay. Perpendicular or not doesn't help us in this question, firstly. And secondly, it's not perpendicular, Kshitij. Perpendicular bisector happens only in the case of
Square,
square.
right?
Yeah. And this one is because of the bisecting property, and also the diagonals are equal. So two properties. The diagonals are equal. So AC and BD is equal. And also they bisect each other. So that makes the area same for all the four. Okay. Moving you to another question. Let's go to this.
okay, wow.
The
I
dot
said
dot
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 dot dot.
dots. Sorry, Kshitij.
What's the dot 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 dot?
Yeah, that's what I'm explaining. Dot 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 here stands for a continuity. That means as you see 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So the next expression will be 1 minus 1 by 5, 1 minus 1 by 6, moving till 24, 2014.
Now we just say 1 upon 12014 to factorial.
No.
Hmm.
Wouldn't be like, so it's saying to find the value of the, oh my god. That's,
Yes. There is a kind of relationship you would figure it out when you open the brackets. That's one hint I can give you, people. Try to open the brackets and check.
The denominator is constantly being multiplied
yeah,
with the
no,
previous
it's
number.
like, I know, I think, I'm
Mm-hmm.
not sure. I think it's 12014. Because the number you keep multiplying, like one, the one thing I got was that one minus 1 by 2 times 1 minus 1 by 3 was 1 by 3. So
Okay.
the more
Okay.
you go ahead, it just remains the same, just a
So what I
denominator.
think is that the previous number is being multiplied by the next number. So then I think it's 1
And you can
multiplied by
just
1,
keep
2014
crossing it out.
and the 201 was multiplied by 2013.
So the final answer, guys, one at a time. We'll start with Avni and then go to Kshitij. Avni, what's your answer?
1 by 2014.
Okay. And Kshitij, yours?
1 minus 1, 2014 multiplied by 2013.
You have
2014 is
to
basically
simplify
multiplied.
that. You have to simplify that. You can simplify and let me know. And I think we are half the way done because if you just look at the pattern right now, it's canceling out.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Hmm. We'll just wait for Kshitij, Avni. So you guys are what, like friends or cousins or siblings?
We're in the same class, like our school.
Okay. So friends.
Yeah.
1 upon 4,054,182.
Oh, boss. Sorry. That's not the answer. That's too hard to be the answer, Kshitij. Okay, look at
Yeah.
this. What Avni just told us. We can cancel this 2 with this 2. We can cancel this 3 with this 3. And if I only open it till these 3 brackets, then I get the final answer as the last fraction, 1 by 4.
Okay.
So that's exactly what Avni did. She said that since we are following the same pattern of cancelling the numerator of the next fraction with the denominator of the previous, we are left behind with just the last fraction. So here also we will be left behind with just the last fraction. It's like this, Kshitij. So the second last one would be like, how much will it be, Avni? 2013 divided by 2014 into, oh, am I going the right way? Probably
Yeah.
not. I think before
Yeah,
it
no,
we
it's
will get something.
ma'am, Yeah, and
Hmm.
then you just yeah. So it'll go in a way because you minus it. So
Hmm.
2014.
So there, this 2000, this thing will get
Yeah,
cancelled
that'll
off,
go up. Yeah, that'll go up, and then
and
you.
we will be left with this number here and this number here. So 1 by 2014. Phew, that was nice. Okay, we have an easy question now coming your way. Super duper easy. Okay, but yeah, just to bring up your hopes that SASMO is not that hard. Let's go. This one
My
on your screen.
father had told me if you would have sit in the exam, you would probably get a 2 out of whatever the total number was.
Don't worry, don't worry. It's like you need to get the concept right. Okay, that's all. See, this one is pretty easy. Guys, try it out. Let me know if you figure out something. We'll discuss then.
What I'm thinking of is multiplying 13 and 60 and 80 and 20 divided by total number of plus in bracket 20 plus 30.
Why would you not do it separately? Try to do that separately, no?
Is it 20A?
Uh,
Yeah,
your overall pass percentage is 20 for both the classes.
20, no, like 12. So I just tell you what I did. 80 by 100 times 20 was
Hmm.
the first class. Oh shit! Wait, I'm sorry. I messed up. I did one thing wrong in the other class.
Okay.
I
All right. And Kshitij, for you, see, you have to first figure out that how many students did actually pass out of the total number of students. And then the total pass divided by the total number of students into 100 would give you the percentage.
So, ma'am, what you're saying is I multiply 80 and 20 and 30 and 60 and then we divide by total number,
Yeah, but
which
then
is
this is
60.
80%. So you can't just directly multiply 80
So
by
80
into
upon
20.
100.
Yeah, point. Correct.
Ma'am, so 34, is it?
You forgot one single tiny small step. This small. Yes, you're very close to the answer.
34. I'm missing up something. I always do this, but that's what I did.
Okay. So what was the number which you got?
30, like for 80 by that'll be 16.
All right. And for the other number?
That'll be 18.
Kshitij, just verifying with you. Did you also get the same?
Yes.
Okay. What is the sum of these two?
30.
34.
Hey, 34. Now, look at this. These are 34 students out of 20 plus 30, 50 students.
Also 34 by 50 times 100. Yeah.
Yes. So this is fraction. Fraction which says the fraction of students who pass the exam. And I believe it's in grade 5 or something when you first did percentages as a chapter. You might have learned that to convert fractions into percentages, all we need to do is?
Times 168%.
Yes.
Mhm.
Got that? Both of you?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay, so this was technically a easy question compared to what we started off with, like that fraction thingy and the frog thing. Okay, you guys did that nicely and messed up the easy ones. Don't be like me. Please, please try to focus. When you read the question, you get the context very nicely. Okay. Now, what is more important in this, like the basic part to learn here is how do you connect these so-called difficult questions with the already foundational topics or courses you have learned at school previously. So see, this is what we would be doing in these 20, 30 sessions, right? that we would try to figure out what we have already learned as a basic topic with a type of questions which actually comes in the exam and see how we can apply that knowledge to get the answer right. So I think that would be good enough, or do you need more questions for the demo? Is that good if we finally, close it here? Okay.
That,
Okay, then. My very important question to which I don't know if you have an answer to. Do you like the class? How was it?
yes, ma'am, it was good.
Thanks,
So,
Abhi. Thank you, Kshitij. All right then. So, yep, you can tell your parents to check with the Olympiad Success people regarding any more details about the sessions. I'll see you people soon. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Abhi. Thanks, Kshitij. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.